How often have you been told in society, from your family, from your parents, from your grandparents, in school, these human made rules that you have to be nice, you can't be mean, you have to be happy, you can't be sad, you have to be a winner, you can't be a loser, you have to be kind, you can't be cruel, you have to be up, you can't be down, you have to be happy, you can't be sad, positive, can't be negative. And despite the fact that if you were to observe human beings 24/7, they have two sides to them. No matter how much people put these human made rules on individuals, human behavior, the laws of human behavior stay true. Every individual is two sided. If you support someone's values and what's important to them, they're going to be nice, they're going to be happy, they're going to be positive, they're going to be supportive to you. If you challenge their values and what's important to them, they're going to be mean, they're going to be cruel, they're going to be negative, they're going to shut down, they're going to be all the negative side. So human behavior is two-sided. If you support someone's values, they're the positive. If you challenge their values, they're the negative. However, society creates this lie, this hypocritical lie, and they say you have to be one-sided. And despite how much that human rule is in place, human beings can never live up to that. And what's interesting is that the individuals that say those human rules, that you have to be nice and positive and happy and supportive, are the very ones hypocritically breaking those rules. And if someone tells you you have to be nice, you have to be up, you have to be positive, just stay there and challenge what's important to them for 5 minutes, and you'll see they have the exact opposite side as well. And they're being a hypocrite. And they're trying to impose on you something that isn't realistic and no human can live up to. So the reason this is an issue is when we come talk about our trading, is that traders are now programmed into this idea through society, through programming, through family, that you have to be a winner, you have to be up, you have to be proud, you have to be positive. But it's the addiction to the individual trade being a win. It's the addiction to feeling good. It's the addiction to the fantasy of always being a positive winner and winning each individual trade that undermines your very ability to be a consistently profitable trader. Why? Because successful trading requires probabilistic thinking. You're going to both win and lose as a trader. But if you're addicted to each trade being a win, and you being happy, and you being proud, and you being a winner, and you being supported by the market, and all this positive fantasy stuff, then you're not going to have the hardened skin to embrace the very losses that are necessary for your edge to play out. Your edge requires a sample space of both wins and losses. If you're addicted to the individual trade being a win here and now, and you being profitable here and now, and you being happy, and you being supportive, and you feeling good, then you're not going to be able to stick around for the long-term consistent profitability. You're not going to be able to stick around for the oscillations of your edge playing out. You're going to both win and lose as a trader. And you're going to be a winner, you're going to be a loser. You have to own both sides of the coin. You're going to be up, you're going to be down. You're going to be happy, you're going to be sad. It's the game. It's the game of being a consistently profitable trader. You're going to be supported by the market, you're going to be challenged by the market. The market's going to give you money sometimes, it's going to take money from you sometimes. Both are essential to embrace in order to let your edge play out. So as a trader, what's crucial is before you take each individual trade, you visualize both outcomes. You visualize the trade tagging you in and it being a win, you being unfazed by it. You also need to visualize the trade tagging you in and it being a loss, you being unfazed by it. If you're not willing to embrace that trade you're saying to be a loss, you're not willing to take that trade. You're not willing to be in it for the win. Because nobody knows the outcome of the individual trade. It's impossible to predict the outcome of the individual trade. So you really need to detach from the outcome of the individual trade and ask a very simple question. Does this trade align with my trading plan? Because I know I have a trading plan that I've developed over a large sample space of data that has edge over a large sample space of data. This individual trade, it may be a win, it may be a loss, I don't know. But what's most important is me sticking to my trading plan on this individual trade. I know if I do that over 100 trades, over 1,000 trades, I'm going to end up profitable. But it's this one-sided lie of having to be positive and fantasy and addicted to the win that undermines traders' ability to have consistent profitability.